Good day, ma'am. I am Arjun Rick Laginding from College of Agriculture, major in crop science, agronomy. Good day, ma'am. I will be discussing to you about collection and preparation of soil sample. Why we need to do collection of soil sample? To ensure efficient crop production, soil must be have adequate supply of plant nutrients. Soil cannot sustain high crop yields if it's deficient in nutrients. And to determine the amount of fertilizer we use or we apply to our soil. These are the materials we use on collection of soil sample. First is soil agar. Second is mylar paper. Third is plastic bag. Fourth is bolo. Fifth is marking pen. And sixth is plastic jar with covered. These are the procedure on how to collect soil sample. First, we need to inspect the farm or the area kung ata magkuha og sample. We need to collect 10 to 15 sub-sample that will be mixed truly to the form of composite soil sample. In collecting composite soil sample, the first procedure is scrape away the grass or the planted residue from the surface of the soil to be sampled. And the second procedure, get a sample of the soil with the use of soil agar to a depth of 20 cm. If dili available ang soil agar, pwede rata mag-use of shovel or bolo to make a V-shaped hole and disregard enough soil so that clean vertical side about 20 cm deep. Third, remove from this vertical slide with a thin slice of about 3 cm thick and about 20 cm deep. Fourth, trim the side of the soil slice, leaving about 3 cm or 1 inch strip of the middle. And fifth is disregard side of the soil slice and place in the 1 inch middle strip of the sample bag or the plastic pail. And to collect this sample, the pit leaf of the collecting the surface of the soil is continued to desire deeply, usually between 60 to 90 ang kalamon sa bangag to get the subsoil sample. If makakuha ng sample, pwede na to i-place sa plastic bag or kanang plastic pails. Ang 6, to repeat steps A to E until 10 to 20 subsample are taken. These samples should be taken at a random and equally distant points throughout a lot in a zigzag direction. Mix all soil collected from 10 to 10 points of the soil not in the clean plastic sheet and divide into the 4 quadrants. Disregard the 2 quadrants and retain the other 2. And 8th procedure is repeat the process until the remaining sample would be only 1 kilo. And 9th procedure is place the composite surface and the subsoil samples in the plastic bag separately, and take note, make sure to label it the soil information. In preparation of soil samples, spread the composite soil sample on the drying board in the soil preparation room and crush clods occasionally during the dry process. It takes about a week for a soil to dry. After a week, when a soil already dry, we need to pulverize it, and we use mallet or other heavy object to crush it or pulverize it. We need to sieve the soil sample to be ready on laboratory.